Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So yesterday I bought JD.com. What happened is Walmart sold all its shares in JD.com. And the reason why they did that, people panic when that happened. And the reason why Walmart did that is because they're planning to enter the online retail business in China. But people, all they heard was Walmart sold all its shares and they panicked. I jumped in and I bought on my traditional IRA account. And now it's up already. It's up again this morning in pre-market at the time of this recording. Like around 10:30, I'm going to get rid of it, take my $200 profit and buy some more of my baby NIO. I now stand at 13,450 and I will keep adding. So, as EV billionaire Israel Englander rebuilds his stake in NIO and Lucid introduces leasing option in Canada to try to sell inventory, and Tesla recalls over 9,000 Model X vehicles due to a potential roof trim hazard that can come off and cause accident, what is NIO doing? Well guys, NIO to report second quarter 2024 earnings on September 5th. We already know that NIO is getting ready to blanket all of China in battery swap stations in order to dominate and devastate. I said it and I'll say it again. NIO will dominate the landscape. So NIO delivered a record 57,373 vehicles in the second quarter. Our earnings in the first quarter, was a little lackluster, but let's see what happens this time around. We exceeded the upper end of its guidance range of between 54,000 and 56,000 vehicles. More people have adopted battery swapping. More and more people are adopting it and are not going back. We should see a little uptick in our revenue due to that as well. More phones are being sold, etc., etc. NIO today announced that it will report unaudited financial results for the second quarter of 2024 on Thursday, September 5th, before the U.S. market opened. The electric vehicle maker delivered a record 57,373 vehicles in the second quarter, exceeding the upper end of the guidance range of between 54,000 and 56,000 vehicles it provided on June 6th when it reported its first quarter financial results. Now, after this quarter with Onvo coming, what do you guys think the next quarter will be? And we will be entering France, Italy, Spain, the UAE, etc., etc. It's getting yummy for the tummy, guys. Yes, indeed. Vision is all you need. That's an increase of 143.93% year on year and up 90.91% from the first quarter. What do you guys think our earnings report will reveal? NIO had previously guided second quarter revenue to be between RMB 16.59 billion, that's 2.3 billion, an increase of about 89.1% and 95.3% from the same period in 2023. In the first quarter, NIO's revenue fell from the fourth quarter of last year. It saw a lower delivery during the traditionally low season, just like everyone else. It reported revenue of 9.91 billion in the first quarter, falling short of the 10.75 billion RMB expected by Wall Street at the time. The company reported a net loss of 5.18 billion RMB in the first quarter, an increase of 9.4% from the first quarter of 2023 and a decrease of 3.4% from the fourth quarter of 2023. So we still saw an increase year on year, but compared to the quarter before, we saw a decrease. It reported a gross margin of 4.9%. And NIO management will hold an earnings call on September 5th, Eastern Time at 8 a.m. For attendees who wish to participate in the conference, you can find this article on CNEV Post, where they'll have a link where you can click on that link to join. So we all know that Xpeng reported second quarter earnings on August 20th, showing that its revenue was broadly in line with expectations. Gross margin increased sequentially for the fourth consecutive quarter, and its net loss narrowed slightly from the first quarter, and Wall Street did not like that. Zeekr reported its second quarter earnings yesterday, seeing record revenue. Yes, the same Zeekr that partnered with us to do battery swapping. A further narrowing of its net loss and an improvement in gross margin along with record deliveries. And Li Auto will announce its second quarter financial results on Wednesday, August 28th before the market opens. But Li Auto is not a pure EV play. So what do I think will happen with this earnings report? I think it will be dynamite compared to our last report in the first quarter. And I believe our reports going further after this, our next earnings report, will be even more devastatingly good due to Onvo. And then when Firefly comes out, woo-hoo-hoo, it will be like my Jamaican brothers say, booyaka, shots fired. So this is why I keep looking at the future of where this company is going and not of what we're doing on a weekly or daily basis. This is how you invest. Now, when I trade on my traditional IRA account like I did with this JD.com, I'm not saying JD.com is not a good company, but I saw a great buying opportunity to make some quick profits to throw it into my baby NEO. Just like Donald J. Trump company, a couple days ago, it fell to $21 something. I grabbed it up. I sold it yesterday in the $23 range. It's still going up again, but I made enough profit to where I took it, and I bought, as you guys saw, some more NEO. So I hope you guys found this video to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we're waking up the middle class for the first time to get a big piece of the pie. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.